We get the several calls from the clients and often about the promissory note. They express the several doubts on it, like on what paper we can write the promissory note, who can write the promissory note, how to write the promissory note, who can lend amount, means lender's eligibility, to whom we should lend, borrower eligibility, what is the maximum amount we can lend on a promissory note, is there any restriction on rate of interest, witnesses are must, are revenue stamps mandatory, how to pay the amount to lendee, what is the validity time of the promissory note, how to increase the validity period of the promissory note, can we transfer the promissory note on the name of others? These type of questions are asked more frequently. The lenders are getting huge loss by lending amount without having minimum knowledge about this information. The cases of money recovery suits based on the promissory note which are being filed in the courts are not getting succeed because of lack of knowledge. People, while lending the money, they never take care of a promissory note and way of writing the promissory note. They never feel its essentiality till they experience the adults. But once they experience this, they never get anything written except the experience. I'm going to clarify all your doubts in this video. Don't miss any part. Watch this till the end. So let's start our today's point blank. First of all, let me tell you what is a promissory note. A signed document containing a written promise to pay a stated sum to a specified person or the bearer at the specified date or on demand. Simply to say, it is a note of a promise about repayment of a lending amount. Now, let's get into our frequent asked question. Number 1. On what paper we can write the promissory note? You can use a white paper or a printed paper or a stamp paper for writing the promissory note. We don't have any problem with that. But when you use the white paper or a printed paper to write a promissory note, you should stick a revenue stamp on it. And also, the lender should sign on the promissory note. The signature should be started beside the revenue stamp and should come onto the face of the revenue stamp. Who can write the promissory note? The lendee, the borrower, can write the promissory note. In case the lendee is illiterate, he or she can take the help of a third person to write the promissory note. In case the third person is used to write the promissory note, his or her name should be mentioned on the promissory note as a scribe. Important thing to know is the lender should not write the promissory note. How to write the promissory note? It is better to write or fill the total promissory note on same day with one person with the same ink pen. I will tell you about why should we use the same ink at the end of this video. Date and the validity of the promissory note. While you are writing the promissory note, the first blank to be filled is the date. It must be very clear with the day and the month name and the year, like this. Who can lend the amount? Lender's eligibility. A person, whether the male or the female, can lend the amount, but he or she should be major, and the lender should be able to say from where he got the money, which the amount lent to the lendee. For example, amount of his or her salary, or the amount he got by selling his property or any other income source. To whom we should lend? Borrower's eligibility. There are 3 important things to remember. First one, the lender should be major. And the second one, he or she should be with a sound mind. And the third one is should be known to lender. What is the maximum amount we can lend on a promissory note? Most of the people will have a doubt how much maximum amount we can write on a promissory note. We can write up to 1 crore rupees in one promissory note. Is there any restriction on a rate of interest? Nowadays in the market, as per the requirements of the lendee, the lenders will go for a very unfair interest. That might be 5 rupees interest per 100, or sometimes it might be 10 rupees also. But this type of interest rate cannot be mentioned on the promissory note. If you mention that, the promissory note will not be valid. So the maximum amount we can mention on the promissory note is 2 rupees per 100 per month or 24% per annum. You should not write exceeding this interest rate on your promissory note. Witnesses are must. Lenders should take care while lending the money. There should be two members as witnesses. In case the lender never return the amount, these witnesses play a very essential role during the trial of the case. Are revenue stamps mandatory? I have told you earlier, but I'm repeating again. If you write your promissory note on a white paper or the printed paper, you have to stick the revenue stamp on it. If you write a promissory note on a stamp paper, you no need to stick any revenue stamp on it. How to pay the amount to lendee? Instead of giving the liquid cash to the lendee, you better to transfer the amount in online or through a check. It becomes very helpful to the lender if the amount becomes issues in returning. What is the validity time of the promissory note? The promissory note will have the validity time of 3 years right from the date of its execution. The amount should be returned within 3 years or else the promissory note becomes invalid. How to increase the validity period of the promissory note? The validity of the promissory note can be extended by endorsing at its back by taking some money from the lendee and having lendee signature on it before ending 3 years. So, right from the endorsement date, the validity of the promissory note will be increased to the next 3 years. Can we transfer the promissory note on the name of others? In any situations, if that lender feels himself to transfer the promissory note on the name of others, he can transfer the promissory note by writing back of the promissory note to whom he wants to transfer the promissory note. So once the transfer of a promissory note is done, that the person who got promissory note transferred on his name will hold all powers to collect the amount from the lendee. Don't be greedy, beware of forensic test. The lendee should not sign on the blank promissory note. In case of signing on the blank promissory note, if the lendee fails to return the amount within the time period, there is a chance that the lender may go and file a case against the lendee with doubling the amount to what actual amount was received by the lendee. Here, a caution to the lenders also, nowadays the technology is developed a lot. In case if you take the signature of the lendee on a blank promissory note and later you go for changing the figures and doubling the figures to file a case against to the lendee, the promissory note will be sent to the forensic lab for the test, and in that forensic test it will be revealed whether the amount is written at the time of the signature of the lendee or not. In case if it is proved that the amount mentioned by the lender after few days of the lendee signature, you will lose the case. The greedy brings you nothing finally. That is the reason, as I told you earlier, you should fill the total promissory note on one day and with one ink. I hope this video is very useful to you. Forward this information to your friends. It might be useful to them. If you have any more doubts on this promissory note, please mention your doubt in the comment box. I will try to answer them at my convenient time, or else I will do a special video on this. I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, this is Vidyasagar signing off.